Millennium Jacks.
If you're listening, yo, 1, 2. This one here goes out to
Jay Dilla.
Put your hands together for the one and only Jay Dilla.
People appreciate more music, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, it's good music, period. It's real. There's nothing better than that to me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do this shit for.
I hear a lot of cats saying that, you know what I'm saying, they want to be one and popular with
it means something.
Jay Dilla. Jay Dilla.
James Yancey, Jay Dilla, producer extraordinaire.
Dilla was just a genius, man, and he still is. Way ahead of his time. Definitely.
It's the grand imperial. Scuba sucking MCs like cereal. The last time I wrote a rhyme, you didn't hear me though. So I'ma drop this.
Dilla's illness. Dilla's illness.
Millennium Jazz Music.
And now for our feature presentation.
Yeah. We're gonna get straight into something real dynamic for hip hop.
Music, you know what I'm saying? I want people to feel what I feel. I want them to feel that energy that whatever it was. Yeah, that's all it is. Because I make it straight from the heart. So it's like. what love is. Is that love dick? Masturbate. Say words, y'all. Words. When you say you love me, it doesn't matter. It's all good. Rockin' my Joseph, it don't matter. It don't matter. Rockin' my Joseph, it don't matter if you ain't trying to make my bank account fatter.
Okay, now there's microphone. Cool. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back again. Oh, you're already here. Hey, what's up, Roy? I've been working on some real amazing tools today. Actually, like it trims down like so much time that I've been working on like a lot of stuff. So basically, yeah, I made actually, let me save this. So I have like this cool toolbar now. Look at this stuff, dude. Yeah, mic check. I like that stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining in, man. Cheers. A little bit of water. Always need water. So yeah, I learned how to script a little bit, and also like I made this this cool stuff. So basically, this allows, if I click once, okay, if I have like the thing on, I can double click to open like a skin, so it opens the skin, and then I can click once, and it selects like all of the controls that it has. So that's really dope. Let me know how the audio, by the way, works. If it's too loud or something, I can fix it up. Because now I'm actually running it from YouTube. So yeah, I made all this jazz. And what's really cool is I can save it. And let's say I want to have the tall adults. Then I can like just jump in between music down. Voice good. You need that to be more down? That's alright. Or more up. Okay. Like lower? I actually can't really tell, like it's hard to tell on I just have this small thingy here. It's weird. Alright, nice. So yeah, with this as well, I can just like select skins and also just like click once and select the things that I need. Music was a tidbit loud. Tidbits, that's hot. So yeah, I can just like select certain parts which I need. So today I'm going to be working on this short adult, and I made a really cool tool that I'm gonna show you again. So usually I have like all of these controls, like everything is really nice and clean. But what if I would need like all of this also on the other side? So I made like this this tool that would allow me to make these groups. So for example, I have these guys. For example, I have this one control and it's like all dirty here, and usually the thing I would do is just create a group, take this, parent it underneath it, then clean these out, press 0, ungroup it, and then group the circle underneath this. So basically it's taking me a lot of time. So this takes me a lot of time, but I make sure that the control is like clean, and then I can also use this this extra layer to just like move it around, and it still is 0 no matter where I put it. So this would take a lot of time. So if I would need to make all 4 of them exactly like that, that would be like really pain in the ass, I think. So I'm not gonna do that. So what I figured out is just gonna, let's Control Z this. So yeah, I select all of them and I have this cool tool without nothing. I just do that and it's done. So if I select this one, wait, did I mess something up though? Most likely I messed something up. GRP, because now like these are, this is zeroed out, but this is not. But the first one, oh okay, now I know why. because I still had like this null group. So I need to still like work a bit on the script, because it's kind of hard coded in a way, where if I have like one object that is null 1, then I can't really do anything with it. It's not gonna do nothing. But if I don't have one, then I do that, and everything is just zeroed out. So it's just like a batch script in a way. So all of them are inside and everything is like cleaned up. So I'm gonna use this later for the fingers. And I think I'm gonna also like add some specific things for it as well. I think in certain cases it doesn't like snap towards where I need it to. So I think I might need to add a point constraint or something to it. So yeah, let's just see. Let's just see. But yeah, I really like this this toolbar that I've made now. That's just amazing stuff now. Really cool. Really cool jazz. So yeah, let me just jump to the short rig. So what I need to do is let's move this a bit away. Get out right here. I'm gonna need a new layer. So yeah. Right hand controls. Right hand controls. As well, we need dynamic parenting. And weight paint. And then let's see. I think I'm gonna be able to make some tools as well for these guys. So that should be nice. So yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys being here. Let's dive into this baby. I'm actually looking forward to have all of these guys finished, like all of the rigs, like nice and done. So I have this. I just need to adjust like certain parts. I took apart the previous rig, and now I can actually move everything pretty much like nicely. So let's see how this is gonna work out. The only thing I'm like worried about are like certain transforms and certain constraints that I might not be aware of, but let's see that. Rig. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. So I think like somewhere here, this should be nice. All right. But yeah, I really enjoy like making these kind of tools and stuff like that are gonna help me later on the way. Like this is really amazing stuff like that. That is just, I kept playing with it and it's just so fast. Like, okay, I need this rig, I need that rig, I need this rig, and it just like swaps between all of them. So that's that's an amazing thing. Really enjoy that. But yeah, it took some time. Took some time to get there. And also needs a lot of adjustments and stuff, so you're able actually to do that. But yeah, let's just give a point constraint so I have the center of gravity actually in the middle of everything. Let's do a point constraint. Delete that point constraint. Alright. So yeah, basically, like, I just want it to be in the middle. And then I can grab the torso and the pelvis and just hook it up inside of it. Alright. Also, I guess this hand, we can easy. Hey, what's up, hard man? Afternoon. Where are you from, actually? I've been wondering that. I've been wondering. How are you doing, man? How are you doing? We're going to be working on this guy's rig. Well, it's kind of pretty much done. I just need to copy the hands to the other side. Me? I'm in UK. Yeah, man. In UK. That's nice. How's the weather like? How's everyone today? Pretty chill. Pretty chill. I worked on some nice tools today. I'll show you along the way as well. If you want, I can share it too. So, I think let's just mirror this This should be our index. Yeah, okay, everything is nice. Hot. Oh, dude. It's so hot here as well. Ridiculous. I can't take the heat. You know, I just go for a walk and I'm like just sweating, just drenched. Let's duplicate this. Oh, what? All right. So this is actually really nice. Like I can get all of these things here. Let's ungroup this, and I think it's always just a bit like ass. Maybe I could also make like some kind of tool for these locators. That would be crazy. I like to be cold and get warm, not to be hot, damn it all. Yeah, dude, I like it when it's just cloudy. I like it when it's like cloudy. Cloudy is my type of time. Like you can go and take textures, you can go and just not sweat all the time. Because that's annoying. I mean, how much you can sweat? But also at the same time, then you don't have to pay your heat bill so much, like for the gas and stuff. So that's nice. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, I made this crazy awesome toolbar. I can just load, I can actually show you. So I can just load, for example, students. Why is this attribute so big? Come on. So basically, let me close that. And I can just, ooh. How come is that invalid object eye? I don't have an eye object there. Let's open this command. There is no command. What is this print? I don't need to print nothing. Variable. What is this variable? I don't need nothing here. That's it. So I can just like reset everything, and I have like all these nice like pictures. All these nice pictures, and it just like goes from one to another. And let's say I would like to keyframe all of this. I can just one click and it selects all the things. I want to keyframe the body, I want to keyframe the head, or let's say like this guy, also like the head can be keyframed, everything can be keyframed. Yeah, dude, like, you know, yesterday I just started making this and I was like, I need all of these controls. Like, I think that this is going to be fucking awesome to just be able to keyframe stuff really quick. Let's say okay, I'm gonna actually test this out, how this is going to be by the end of the stream. I'm gonna try making like a walk cycle for this guy, and let's see how fast we can make it. Like for let's say four characters, because there's this character. Then we're going to adjust, basically just work on these controls. Then we're going to make these. Okay, I actually can't make it on 4 characters, I just figured out, but at least 2 I can do. And for example, for this one, also like I can just control those. So it's really nice. So let's say I want to do, I need to adjust like a teacher. Let's say this one. I can just go in and adjust like anything that I need, like let's say like the nose or something. I can do that. Jump to the next one. Also select the nose, do something with that. Like sometimes maybe you need to deselect and select certain things, but that's cool, I guess. Maybe it's too loud. So how do you guys like the music today? Put on some J Dilla. So yeah, I think that this is amazing. And also I have like just the controls for that. So, and I can even jump back to where I was and continue working. So yeah, nice. I'm really satisfied with this. Finally I could invest some time and like make some nice tools to become just a bit faster. I think that's like sometimes that pays off, that you have like some small tools that help you. So let me just set these guys up to be red. So this one needs to be also... Oh. So it's like that. Well, I can move these controls for now, but... And I think what is really cool is that I have these locators. But these locators are quite not in place. What if we could make a script for these locators as well? Let's see. If they're gonna be a pain in the ass, I'm just going to add them differently. Ooh. Yeah, actually, you know, let me pull out all of these controls. By the way, if there's like something weird with the audio or something, like if it's too loud or some stuff, just let me know. So no one matches this. Okay, that's cool. Wrist. Just delete all this jazz. Okay. All of them have some weird jazz here. No worries. I need to rename them. So I actually have like some cool rename tool that I've made before. So yeah, I'm slowly starting to get back into mail scripting, which is it's actually so nice. Like, gives you a lot of control over all the things in Maya. I mean, everything is based on it, so why not use it? Why not use it, right? Alright, so all these groups and all this weird jazz, let me just delete that. I don't think... Yeah, I didn't delete anything. I thought that I might have deleted like some extra stuff. So if I've selected all of these, I should have like a rename tool. Custom my rigs. Rename. Alright. It pops up in somewhere nowhere. I'm gonna have to move it to my other tab. So basically it makes this window. Yeah, I'm learning more Python, but I'm also starting to learn Houdini. Dude, that is a good one. That is a really nice skill to have, like Houdini. I'm going to do that as well. What do you use for like, where do you find stuff? Hey, what's up, Matthew? How's it going, dude? Here's a high five. Pikachu. Fucking nice, dude. How's it going, dude? So, did you see the cool tools? I'm gonna show you too.
What can you do in 15 minutes?
I'm pretty excited for that. Like that I made it yesterday. So here I'm just trying to rename them all. So what's nice about this tool is that I can actually go in and rename these instead of double clicking or something. I just click once. Hey, what's up, Master Yolokin? Houdini is an apprentice thing from their website, so it's all good for learning. Okay, so they have like most of the stuff on their site. Okay, then I go to applied Houdini site. Okay, so they have like most of the tutorials and all that jazz, right? That's really nice. Yeah, I need to get a license for it. Cheers, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in today. Hey for everyone who just joined in. Thanks a lot for being here. How's your day? Tell us, how are you doing? And yeah, today we're working on some rigs. Free if you're a student. I finished my thesis on Monday. My bachelor's thesis. So I'm not a student anymore soon. Like, I think in a month. Like half a month, something like that. But yeah, I'm actually looking into a license. But you're still a student. Yeah, exactly. Please help, my cat is biting my chin. I don't want to move because it's so cute. Just like try pushing him like this away. Okay, yeah, I understand what you mean. but I would already like to use it, for example, in for certain things. I already know like certain things, and I would use it already in production for this game that we're making. So see, I have this control here, for example, and I have this control, and all of them have these. So let's say I can just select all of them, and let's freeze the scale. Freeze scale. Alright. And I would like to have a group on them, on all three of them. So I have this tool, and it has all the groups now. Let's see. This is clean, this is clean, and this is clean. Ah! Dope. Okay, so I need another tool. Let's just edit this. I'm going to also rename it. Parent shape tool. This is going to be called... So what does it do? Group, control group, driver group. What did I call it before? OGT. This will group selected objects cleaning inputs. Object group transforms. Objects. Okay, let's do groups on objects. Goo. Goo. Groups on objects. What? Like I don't know what to put there. When he tries to breathe, it makes a weird sound. Really? Oh, your cat. That's funny, Master Lokin. Goo. Group transform objects. GTO. OGT. Object group transforms. Okay, whatever. I think that's going to be a nice thing. Let me copy like the tooltip from this one that I had before. Grouping tool. Grouping tool. Nice. This is actually one of the best tools that I have. It shaves off like so much time for me. I mean, it's ridiculous. So one thing I also need to have is this, just a locator, but the locator needs to be hooked up to this, right? Both of them need to be in the same like position where it comes from. So if I parent it,
Make some noise.
let's parent it. So once it's here, let's say this is going to be 0. No, not 0, but 0.1. Okay. 0.1. Okay. So it's a bit smaller. Your cat is really cool, dude. Your cat is really cool. Let me remove this. So I add that. And if I, let's say I would just unparent it, then it has everything. Or how did I just do that? So this locator, shift parent that. There we go. And delete it. Also delete this first locator. Clean locator, parent it. Clean the transforms. LOC DRV. Clean the transforms and shift parent that. Then it should be underneath the control, right? So it lands at the control. Okay. So that's what I need to do. Just like make something that makes a locator, then puts it like parents it underneath the control. Oh, that's actually really simple. Let's get to it. So okay, So when I drive the trucks, oh, Europe Truck Simulator. Is it Europe Truck Simulator or is it called different? I listen to Bulgarian radio, Radio Fresh. They put music that the audience wants in the list, and they then run them on a shuffle from 6. Oh, that's pretty cool. So they just like have a list, like you can keep calling them during all the time, like during the daytime, and then they just put like a queue. And it was the third, but she said my name, and the song wanted on first place, but she was so confused, or the nickname I wrote. The nickname was, oh, weird. That's weird. Why would you pick such a weird nickname? That's a strange nickname. Just saying. And she only said the first one. Okay, yeah, I would see that as well. I wouldn't say that on radio. So basically, the actual radio that was playing like in real life, they play it inside of the game. Is that the case? If so, that's wow. Water. Yeah. I got that. You're really talking about that much, right? That damn dude. My condolences. 0.1. So let's try making a script like that. I think that would be really good. Yeah, ETS devs put radios from all around Europe. Oh, that's really crazy. Like actual real ones. I would like to experience that. I'm gonna have to check it out, dude. Like, what about the roads? Are the roads also somewhat, like, based on the actual maps? Maybe they use, like, real maps. Pokemon Go style. I wish. Like, you could go through, like, real weird rural roads. Imagine that. Like, on the countryside and stuff. Damn. Let me clean my glasses, because I can't really see stuff. Alright. Alright. So I need all of these locators who drive stuff. So, okay, delete that. Let's just start writing that script, right? So this is the script that makes SL, not actually SL, but so I'm gonna show you guys why sometimes the script that I made for the groups fails. So I make a selection, so like I make an array of my selection. So for every object in the selection, I do like that's a for loop. I clear the selection, I make a group, so the group is selected after it's made. Then I select, add the object to the selection, so I do a parent, so it's parented underneath the object. Then I clear its transforms and rotate values. Then I rename it to group. Then I parent it to the world, and then I parent the object underneath it. And I think that's what I'm going to do also with the with our locators. Just now, let's make a clear locator again. I'm gonna parent it. So if I clear it out like that, and what if I would do OGT on this? Then everything is clean. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so clean. Well, if they did the Bulgarian map, then they should have made a giant crater. What I mean is that the craters in Bulgaria have roads on them. Oh man. Yeah, I feel that. We have the same thing with our roads in Latvia. It's just ridiculous, dude. Roads are terrible. I agree with that. Wait, what? I'm really sorry, guys. because I just got some more concept art. I've been stalling a bit, but it's alright. I'm gonna continue in just a second. Come on, open, please. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Next week's are gonna be fun. I'm already looking forward to it. So there's a slight problem, I think. What if you would do here? This is a different one, right? Yeah. But then how could you link it back to the locator? Or is this just not clean enough as I would like it to be? What if I snap this underneath? Okay, just try this. Yeah, like in some cases you just can't like escape certain things, but it's alright. Alright, let's just parent these underneath each other. If you get me. So why don't you adopt a cat or a dog or a turtle or a rabbit or a dinosaur? I wish I could have a T-Rex. No, I actually wish I would have a cat. That would be really nice. I would really enjoy that. I'm not even kidding, like that would be amazing. So there's like a slight difference here for all of these guys. What if I do 0? Oh, okay. That's strange.
I'm in the studio from my time I get up, time I go to sleep.
I'm just slowly cleaning them up. Dude, I'll adopt a cat soon. That's awesome! Dude, what? How are you gonna get it, like, from the pound or something? I need to move. That's my only comment on this. I need to move. I need to move away from my current place. That's all I can say, I guess. So this is, oh, okay. 180. I'm actually cool with that 180 there. Could also just do this. 0, 0, 0. Not do that. But what if I would just do a so it's here. If I freeze the transform. Oh wait. Let me just check this out. Parented. So what if I freeze the transforms here? Actually, this makes everything nice. Doesn't it? Doesn't this make stuff nice? And if I unparent these, what happens here? Okay, this is gonna be cool. Nice. What's the type? I don't know the name of the thing. There are some organizations that catch abandoned cats. Yeah, like I know what you mean, like a pound. That's what I meant. Like I thought that you're gonna get it from a pound or something like that. But that's really nice, man. Mine is Persian, mate. Persian male. Persian male. Persian mate. Got a Persian mate. That's funny. But yeah, like I used to have a Brit blue. Is that a thing? British blue. Feel thirsty. So okay, I think these should be pretty nice controls. What if I... Yeah, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this like it is. Alright, let's just keep on moving on these guys. So let's just unparent them. So all of these should have like some weird transforms. And that's fine. So about that script. Let's make a new Mel script. So this is going to be our dash. Actually, let me write down these things for the previous one as well, because this is the one that I need, I think. Yep. Yep, that's the one. So let me just comment this here. So, so this is going to be our create groups on top of objects to objects comments comma cleaning all the cleaning transforms and rotations of controls. Makes sense, right? Okay, so just so I know, like later on I'm going to be using this anyways, so I'm going to call this create an array of the selection. That's what it does. So for each object in the selection, do this. All right. Clear selection. Create group. So this is going to be add the object to selection, parent the thing to the object. Oh man, this is crazy. There's one that I'm in love with, and it's mixed one that has an accident and broke a bone, but she's okay, and it's just 2 months, and I'm just looking. Yeah, that's nice actually, like that you're doing that instead of like being fancy and trying to pick a cat. I think if I'm gonna get a cat, I'm gonna do the same. Just go to the pound and get one. So what I need to figure out is like how to set an attribute to a selected object. So if I have something selected, how do I set the attributes of that? So rotate, translate, and yeah, just rotate and translate and set that to 0. If any one of you guys like has an idea or has some experience with MailScript, how that works, I would really gladly accept some help with this as well. If someone has some ideas. So let me do a double dash, parent the group under the object. So here, let me do another enter. Let me write another one. So when we were on the road to Pleven, when we were in Stara Zagora, another city. So is that also in Bulgaria? Stara Zagora. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. We were going through a small street, and an idiot wanted to show off that he has a Nissan from 15 years ago, and he overtook Dad while a small cat was passing the street. He hit and killed it on the spot. I hope God treats the person as needed. He did not even stop. That's really sad, man. yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't understand why people do that. I really don't understand that. Clear the transforms. I'm just gonna clear the transforms. I don't know, man. I think those people have problems with themselves. Clear the transforms. Rotations of the created group. Rename the group. Rename the group. Parent it. Parent the object. No, parent the object under. Yeah, parent the object to the group. So basically, it's like clean thing. Yeah, sad cat things, man. What's up with that? What's up with that? I can hear myself. When I refresh the page, I can hear myself. Okay, so actually now I know like how this whole script works. So I'm just going to... Can I save this? Yeah, I'm gonna save this. And let me just grab this whole thing and I'm going to copy that. And let me edit this. I think it's the same, right? Roughly the same. GRP. What if I... Let me just clean this up a little bit. I want it here. Let's put an enter. Yeah, this looks nice. So for example, let's just put this here. So I'm in love with this now. I think I'm going to be doing this a lot. Just creating these kind of tools in the future. This really helped me. So let's just try it again, like if it works. Bam. Group, group, group. And all of these are clean. Clean rotations, clean everything. I think I'm gonna have to do this here as well. Like, finger controls are usually the hardest, like, I think, to do. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for these fingers as well. But first things first, the long-awaited tool again, right? Nothing. What's up with nothing, man? What's up? What's up, dude? Okay. Alright. So what we need to do is, I'm just gonna grab this small part here. Actually, these both parts. So we're gonna do the same thing for each. So how do we create a locator? Let's just figure it out. P space locator. So let's do a clear selection. I can just like actually copy all of this stuff here. Ooh. All right. So I'm just gonna test that out. So if I select these two thumbs, let's delete this locator. I select these two thumbs and I would press, just gonna create a new thing. So now I have two locators. That's cool. So this basically does that. I can do that. Nothing. Dude, what's up? What's up? You've been acting really weird in the past days. Are you okay? Like, is everything okay at home? If you want to talk about something, just let us know. maybe we can help you with something. Maybe we can help you with something. Let me set up some jazz here. Nice. Okay. So space locator, and we need to add to the selection. Let's just add the object, just like before. This is actually really simple stuff, because it's just batch procedure stuff. I need to start learning something new. Nothing, kind of. So what's up? What's up, man? Don't make me act like a detective. It's not my job to be a detective. I want to be your friend, man. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Hey, what's up? What's up, Nick Garrett? How's it going, dude? How's your evening? I had the most amazing revelations of all time. I'll show you in a second. I'm working on this script. Parent. So let's parent it. All right. So if I have, okay, let me just delete some of these things here. All right. So I'm learning how to write scripts and stuff now. How about them apples? So let me take these two guys, and if I click this, then I should have locators underneath them. And if I have locator, I should be able to rename it. Rename LOC DRV. So let's do that. Fine, I'm making a new project. You. Oh, dude, nice. That sounds cool. What are you working on? Have some sketches or some stuff? So, I'm working on just tools. Small tools that help me with rigging and some other things. I'll show you in a second. This is actually going to help me a lot in the future when I'm going to be making rigs for other objects. So this is, let me actually see. So I'm gonna rename it, and let me also just like take this for example. I'm gonna set those attributes. Oh, okay, that's also gonna give it a weird name, right? Let's rename it afterwards. Rename it here. Let's rename it afterwards, and here we're going to say it's going to be called Locator 01. So let's just set it to Locator 01. For now, like I'm just going to do it like that. I could get like set or get nail or get attribute or something like that. I'm bored. This is project for women. I make a nail bar. Oh man, that's actually fucking weird. Fucking crazy cool as well in a way. Do you have also like all those like apparatuses for nail stuff? That would be funny.
I'm Maureen Yancey.
That would be really funny, man. There's a thing I want to tell to someone so I can relieve, but I don't want to tell it to your or the stream first. I like have to tell anyone, so I'm waiting to come to the Netherlands to tell you, my bro. Oh, dude, that's crazy. I hope it's not like, I don't know. Don't make it like such a big thing for you. Like so, like I've had also things that I haven't talked to for anyone. I've been like keeping that like secret for years, like literally just not saying anyone anything. But it's not healthy. Talk to your parents. Try bonding with someone in your family. I appreciate that you would like to talk to me. I would like to help you with that. So let's try this out. I think that this should be giving us the result that I want. So let's copy this script. Let me just put it on something else. Minimize this baby. Shadow's previous declaration line, previous value overwritten explicit initializer. 221. So what is 21? Or 29? I don't have 29. Locator 01. So if I make like a new one, so let's say if I would not have this, I'm gonna leave it here, but I'm gonna remove it from my script on the other side. Parent object. So let's say, okay, I want this one to have the locator. So does it have locator? In selection. Okay, let me do like a different one. Let's call this instead of selection. This can be anything. Objects.
Jay Dilla, the man is a legend.
Because basically this defines the variable, as I understood, right? In MailScript. This is quite weird. Yeah, them. What's up with that? You don't have a good relationship with your parents? You should try doing that. It's actually really healthy, man. I try doing that now with my parents. So this is a locator. But what if I...
I like to bug out and get ill a little bit, and I don't walk around thinking I'm the shit. I just flow, man, you know, ripping up tracks in sight.
No, I'm gonna change the music for a bit. A little bit jazz. So this is actually kind of nice, I guess. Like let's just test out. Like I'm waiting for I'm not waiting for anything. I'm just like trying to clear this out, trying to figure out how to remove this small thing for some reason. Okay. So I have these two thumbs. They won't understand. Well, they will. They should. They're your parents, man. They're your parents, man. I know that it sounds weird that they're not going to, but trust me, that's sometimes the best thing. Overridden by explicit initializer. What the fuck is that? Is this really like a thing because I have like a different kind of... But yeah, like the cool thing is that all of these guys get hooked up here, like underneath where I want them to be. So if I select all of these, if I select the wrist and just run the script, then I have it all with the things that I want. And if I now would select all of these again and run the groups, then I have all the groups here as well. Dude! You know how much work this just saved me? Holy crap. Awesome. This is so great. Okay, let's just see. If I put 0.1 here, just like smaller ones. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. So this is GRP with the wrist. GRP with the wrist. Just came in. What are we doing? We're making some tools today. We're making some tools. Thanks a lot for joining in, Greg. Thanks for being here. It's a secret, okay? I still don't know if I'm 100% sure it is, so it's just better not to tell them, but my bro. That's alright, man. If you feel safe like that, then it's gonna be okay. It's alright, man. Rehertz is just finding out how cool coding is. Well, it is for, in this case. Oh, dude. I like those rings. Do you have some lightning? I really would like to see lightning. Man, like, I know you're good at that. I love your lightning, dude. I love your lightning. So this didn't do anything? Didn't do diddly? I think I actually have a script like that that does the same. Let me go back. So basically what I can do now is if I have I just made like some controls, and I would like to have to hook them up. So let's say I just grab these, give them locators, grab them again, and give them groups. So basically my control is clean, and I have the nice control like underneath it, and I can control everything. So this is just amazing. Let me save this, and I'll show you guys Nick, if you're here, I'm gonna show you the cool jazz, and also Greg. Everyone, if you haven't seen this, watch the awesome tools that I've made. Look at this. Look at this. So I have just this short character now that we're working on today. I actually want to finish rigging him. And I can just swap to the tall character. It actually saved the short one as well. So if I double click on this, I can just jump to the students. Yeah, check this out. So I have 3 buttons. I can just jump through students. Let's say I want just the different rigs. I can go through them. I hook them up to the Maya files that I have. You can actually do that really simple through here. Write a script with that. Just when I double click it, it's going to open this one. Open this file. So if I edit this, double click command is F options, then it opens like where I have the file. So that's nice. So yeah, I have this dude, and I can just swap through skins. I have like buttons for the skins, and let's say I want a keyframe. Just I've made like a nice animation for the body, then I create a nice animation for the head, and then I start working on this, and I can just keyframe these. I can just like double click on this one and keyframe just its necessary things. So that's something that I made yesterday. So yeah, we have this, guys. I can just swap through these as well. We're gonna have to finish the rig for this dude as well. And yeah, this is just really amazing. I don't know. This is one of the best things that I've went across these days. And today we've made some cool tools. So let's say I have these rings here, and I would like to have a locator. Like let's say I want locators for all 4 of these NURB circles. I have like something underneath them. I give them all like all their respective things. Locators. Okay, let's make groups. So I zero out all of these transform values. I drop this, and I think I had a null. Yeah, okay, that didn't work because I had a weird thing, but I can do that again. And now I have clean transforms on everything. If I open up these groups, if I select the NURBs, everything's clean. Everything is clean. Oh my god. And then you have locators, and locators are also clean. And this is just amazing for like creating like quick controls. This is going to be really cool. I think I could even make a script that would just make the locator and instantly make that shit. Well, I'll just keep them separate for now. But yeah. Parent shape tool. I actually have a parent shape tool removed from hypershape graph. Locator alignment tool. Oh, okay, that was a thing that I've made before. But this is going to be nicer. Just creating a locator for something. Like it works on everything. You can just click on that, and it makes your LOC drivers, and they're here. And if you want, give them a group, clean them up. But it didn't because there's a null. Of course there's a null. Let's try that out. If this cleans it up. Yep. Of course. Of course, of course. Yeah, this is really nice. I don't know. I'm just doing this and it's blowing my mind. I enjoy it. I enjoy that. So if you guys want, I can also share like some of this stuff. I don't mind sharing this as well. So let me just jump to back to our rig. What else would I like with this? There was something that I wanted to have with these locators. Let me delete them. Something with these groups. Let's just fix those colors, by the way. Fix those colors, by the way. Alright. Thanks a lot for all of you guys joining in today. Hope you're having a nice day. If you have something cool to share, make sure to drop it in the chat. I would like to see your awesome creations. Can I drag that like that? Because here it's a bit different. Okay. You know what? What if I would just delete this left wrist and just copy these ones over? Oh, what? That's crazy. Alright. Perhaps all of this needs to die. Man, my cable. See Messenger later. Alright. I hope your cat is not eating your cables. So I'm just gonna try making this from scratch. Let's go back to rigging, and I have this mirror. Oh! Oh! No, go back. Go back, show me outliner. And let's see, what have you made? So this mirror tool, I think I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna add a mirror joints selection. Let me also clean this up a bit. So mirror joints, let's move it a bit here. With the last tool that we made, let's make this tooltip create locators for controls. Locator, create locator tool. Clit. Oh my god, no. Just press the clit. It's gonna be okay. Hey, what's up, Wormius? How's it going, dude? How's it going, man? Long time no see. Happy to see you here, dude. Thanks a lot for joining in. How are you? I'm making clit tools here. CLT, create locator tool. Yeah, okay. You know, let's just leave it like that. Create locator tool, clit tool. Good to see you, Hive man. Yeah, man. It's nice to be back. It's really nice to be back. It's nice that all of you guys are also here, and we can all have like a nice evening together. I really missed Twitch. I really missed Twitch, guys. Thanks for being here. Here's a high five for everybody. And let's dive into these tools. I hope everyone can follow. If you guys have some questions or something of what am I doing, or you want like the script or something, just let me know. Let me apply. So basically, okay, I got these on the other side now. Yeah, everything should be fine, I think. Let me group this, duplicate this, copy it to the other side. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. One of these times, you're going to hit your camera. Yeah, I have a feeling like that as well. I play too much next to my cable for the razors, and I have, like, I don't know how to explain it. Don't have razors next to your cables. That would be a good start, dude. I'm gonna try having a sip. Cheers, guys, for a nice Wednesday. For a nice Wednesday. Oh, I got a picture from you. I'm gonna check it in a bit. First, I need to fix these controls here. So I need to just do this once. Because I don't know how could I do this actually better. Unless just parenting. Let's parent it everywhere underneath. Okay. Alright, let's hook it up. Hook it up, hook it up, hook it up now. Parency. Alright, parency everywhere, yes. Everything is connected. How do I select them all now? Is this connected? That doesn't need to be connected. I can just freeze its transforms, right? Yes, let's do that. And towards this one. Yes! Freeze its transforms. Also this one, freeze its transforms. Did I? Yes, I did. So much attention to details. Yeah, I like it. Like now, I can actually like just make it perfect. Every time I'm getting faster now with this. So, let me just freeze the transforms here. So everything is clean. Just like these two. Let's also do G. So you can see like I have all of these transforms here. For some reason this is weird. But I can live with it. Because I think the same is on the other side, right? Yeah. Same is on the other side. Yeah. But that's what I like about like game development. You can pay attention to detail, you can also not pay attention to detail, and it depends. Like that's your style in the end of the day. You know? Let's shift parent this. And group it. Wait. What? How can this be? Freeze these transforms? Shift parent that? Because all of these have now. This doesn't make sense. Oh, it's just the wrist like that. Freeze the scale. Yeah, this can be outside of everything. Because of the group. Let me Ctrl Z this for a second. So why is this underneath the group anyways? I'ma play League of Legends, goodbye. Alright, enjoy, man. I'm gonna be honest as well. I've never played League of Legends. Let me turn off this weird thing. So, okay, all controls. Let's freeze transforms. Let's unparent them. And let's group them up. Or actually, I didn't even need to make that group. But for now, like I'll just need it, I think. Alright. Let's fix these colors. Attribute editor. Let's color pick. This blue. I actually really miss this. I can't even like. I really miss doing these technical things like with rigs and stuff. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. I played a few times, not a fan. Yeah, right. So what's the big deal with League of Legends? Who of you guys has played League of Legends? Can you guys explain what kind of things do you find fun in it? I would like to know, because I haven't. A lot of my friends have had like played League of Legends, but I never had the time to play with them. And when they've stopped, I just haven't played with them ever. No one played when I wanted to. So yeah, I would like to know like how is that? How does that work? Alright. So the controls are ready. So all of these, let's give them a click. Nice. Let's make these locators just a tiny bit smaller. Man, the music is so chill, and I feel so chill like just making this, because everything just falls into place how it should. And it's just amazing. So for example, in this case, it didn't really put the locator where I needed it to be. So what if I would just snap it? Oop. Can I just snap it there? 0.1. Well, you can't have everything. I think you could actually do a point constraint and then remove the point constraint of it. If you would free delete its history. So let's say I do the CLT, but okay. Okay, so if I would do constraint parent, but I would need to do a parent constraint without maintain offset, right? Okay. And what if I delete its history? Yeah, that doesn't remove the constraint. Construction. Oh, that just removes the construction history. But what if I would delete all the history? Delete all by type, delete by type. Control Shift delete. So if I have, let's go back a bit. Control Shift D. Oh. Edit. Alt Shift D. Yeah, okay, that doesn't do that trick. Anyhow. Yeah, that's fine, I guess, with me. But I still need that here. Yep, that's gonna do the trick. Yep, nice. League of Legends is a game I wanted to enjoy, but didn't. That's a funny quote. That's very funny. So yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. If there's someone new and you haven't had, I haven't said hi, and hi to you. If you like what we're doing, make sure to hit that follow button up there and check out the links in the description. And cheers. So let's continue making these locators. So for some reason it always makes this locator scale. Can I change that? Modify display, animation, lattice, joint size, IKFK. Animation, NURBS, polygons. Yeah, I can't change that, I think. Just the size of that. 11 people, almost as much as yesterday. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys being here. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with this. Just making these rigs and making this stuff work is really awesome. Okay, let's save it. Anyone here ever used Heroku? What is that? First time I hear of something like that. So now I have all of the LOC DRBs for this. What if I do this? Select them all like that, and if I open my rename tool, actually I'm gonna add my rename tool here as well. Let's do shelf editor, let's go to my rigs, rename. Let's copy this, rigging. Let's name it RNM. Rename. Tool. Rename tool. User defined macro. Yep. That's gonna be my macro. Save all shells. And let's do rename it. Oh, nice! This is cool! I must go, my father has a birthday. Oh, dude. I would say wish him good birthday from me as well, but I hope you have a nice time, and good luck, man. Best wishes. Have a nice evening, man. Thanks for stepping by. Did you mean that, Heroku? I hope he has a lot of health in his years. That's amazing. Unleash your inner startup. Unleash your inner startup. I like that. I like that. So I can just copy these names here. At least I think I'm copying them in the right way. Okay. Middle C, middle C, middle B, middle B, middle A, middle A. Okay, yeah, everything is going according to plan. Slowly, slowly. Nice. Perfect. Let's open this again. Can I do, if I would do like a group on this one, where does the group land? Does it land on top of it? GRP, okay, this group is also messed then. Can I do a point constraint? The point constraint would do the trick. Can I remove it? How could I remove it? I'm learning a programming course and they told us we can use that, so I wanted to know if it's any good. I've never heard that. What does it do? I suppose it's some kind of just a second. Reminds me of like GitHub, like with all the things. We're excited to announce the lineup of Postgres production plans. PGX. Okay, use Heroku for the same disrupting startups. Building up. Okay. So it's Python. So it's some kind of scripting thing, right? Focus on your apps. Okay. Platform. So it's like a coding language or something? Oh, yeah, I see. No, I've never used anything like that. First time I hear anything like this. Like, I only know about Python and some stuff like that. Like, nothing too much. You know, I'm a regular average Joe in that kind of area. Duplicate this group. Freeze transform. So I'm just gonna have those two groups for the wrists. Wrist. I'm gonna have those things for the wrist. Alright. And I think this wrist we can just ungroup it. Put it underneath them. Ooh. It's like DigitalOcean in a way, if I understood correctly. What is... Man, I'm just asking these noob questions now. What is DigitalOcean? Tell... I don't know, man. It's a programming course. I'm so sorry, dude. I really don't know any of that. Is Roy still here? I think so, right? Roy, do you know any of this stuff? What kind of stuff do you use? Roy's our website master. Roy's our website master. Be ashamed. How can you not know that? Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm like, just I don't know what to say now. I feel ashamed a bit. A bit. Not really, because like, look at all this stuff. I'm coding for models. I'm actually making models and I'm still coding. And then like people are asking me, oh, but this and this web development. Whoa, okay. This is, I think this is how I get into that kind of stuff, you know? Next thing you know, you're gonna be making Flash games. In Maya. I'm telling you guys, this is, I think it's a new start for something. For something big. Right wrist. Yeah, sure, right wrist. This is left wrist 1. Left wrist 1. And this is going to be this like that. DigitalOcean is a site that used to host web applications. Oh, okay. I did once get used HTML5 and CSS at university. Alright. That sounds pretty cool. Guys, by the way, tomorrow we're going to be doing Gravity Sketch, modeling in VR. I think that's going to be really fun. I've been promising for a long time now that we're going to be doing something like that in VR, but we never did that. So I thought today is going to be the day. This week is going to be the week. Tomorrow is going to be the day we're going to be doing VR modeling. If you guys have some cool ideas what we could do, like make something interesting, you can just let me know. Or tomorrow, just on the fly, we can on the fly we can make it. Like a zipper, you know, on the fly. Okay, let me just rename these. Maya VR or something else. Gravity Sketch. It's called Gravity Sketch. Gravity Sketch. VR Gravity Sketch. So you can make like make cars. A lot of people use it to make cars, like concepting, making fast concepts and stuff. You can make stuff like this, for example. Let me full screen that. So basically you can make NURBS surfaces and just like do anything you want with that surface. Gravity Sketch videos. I wish it was like Maya in VR, but I think Maya would be a lot of juice. So this is the type of stuff that you can do. Just make a surface. This is really cool, I think. Making shoes like that? Oh, look at this. That's crazy. You can just like draw a thing like that. Grab a surface, just put it over something. Make a small sketch and just like draw surfaces. This looks really nice. Like you can just make these pretty quick as well, I think. Wow. Wow. Make a career. Make a career. You mean like a career out of it? What is this? Virtual reality with red. Okay, okay. So he just traces that, right? Or something. You can even use like your hand for measuring things. Like let's say you do it like this and then you can just and you have like the same length stuff. You can just compare it in real life, like just put off your goggles and stuff. This is really ridiculous. Tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of fun. What is this? Oh, dude, that's really cool. I think I'm gonna make something simple. Like, maybe we can make an aircraft, like some kind of like a cool airplane or something. I'm open for or the ship that you just sent me, Greg. That would also be really cool. That would be crazy. Oh, Jeff Richardson, thanks a lot for your for your follow. Means a lot to me. Here's a high five, dude. Thanks a lot. Oh, what's that, Matthew? Alright. Oh, that actually looks really cool. So what if we make something like that? I think that would be really crazy. That would be really crazy cool. Alright, let's try that. I'm gonna keep that as a reference then. So let me check this. Let's finish these groups. I would like to finalize this stuff here. I would like to finalize this rig. Because all the bones are in place, all the controls are in place. I just need to fix these things. VR sketches. Yeah, exactly. Man, I'm actually really really looking forward to putting that into my pipeline. So you can make like rapid sketches of stuff and then use that as a sort of like a base to make your actual meshes. I mean, for cars and stuff. Oh my goodness. I would love to do that. I would love to do that. So I have all of these finger controls. I have all of these finger controls. Let me do a group on that. Like, see, now I don't have to. Now I don't have to spend all the time. Now I don't have to spend all of my time doing something. I can just make a tool and talk to you guys, and then press one button every half an hour to do something. That would be crazy. I tried medium and it's awesome. Oh yeah, I tried that as well. It's pretty interesting. It already like makes you think about certain new things, how to do things in a new way, you know. And that's I think what I'm missing now. Like I wanna start exploring new ways how to build stuff, new ways how to make stuff. But I don't have a VR. I wish that you will. I hope you will soon, or something. It's not necessary. I wouldn't say that it's like that big of a deal. I just got it because we might develop something for it. But other than that, I think it's just you need a lot of space first of all, and you need a lot of horsepower to run that jazz. You know. How's the music today? You guys enjoying this? I'm going to set up that YouTube playlist thing. That would be the best. Yep, I wish too. It would be awesome. We could do VR chats, man. So let me check this. All of this is nice and clean. So nice. This is really nice. Let's do the same here. Close. F. So let's do that. Make these smaller. 0.1. Nice. The chill music is right in place. Yeah, man. I feel that. I'm trying to relax these days. And this music really helps. This kind of jazz. I would like to do some project for VR. I started one. Yeah, maybe with the thing that we're making, that like the thing that we would like to make, that could be rendered for VR. We could do that in VR afterwards, like something. One project with my teacher and a few other students, but it stopped. Oh, that's sad. I made some stuff with VR. I think I am going to make a small application from a thing I made before. From a thing I made before. So I need to rename these. Why does all the tools like just jump somewhere else? Let me just copy these. It would be really nice to make something in VR. Alright. Nice. Oh my god, I actually have something. Roy? Roy, are you still here? Shit. There might be a possibility we might make something for VR. just a possibility. If we would do that, that would be really amazing. That would be really amazing. Holy dip. Here are some of the things I started. So every one of us made some props. Oh, okay. Oh, dude, that's actually really cool. Nice details. I love this. I love this stuff. Looking great. And we are making a badass scene, but you know, people just stop working on things and blah blah blah. Dude, that's why we need to work with people who know how to do stuff. People who finish things. Let's do that, dude. We need to work together. We need to make like a small thing. Let's say just 3 months. Let's make a month where we just plan it out, and then two months we just work and like part time, and free it out like just certain time. And if we could do that, that would be just what the fuck. I think we could do a lot of crazy stuff. A small clip or something, like something small. Good luck. Yeah, thanks, man. I'm just saying, like, we need to make something. We need to make something together. Yeah, I would like to see that as well. I would like to be working on that. Let's group this. Is that the index? Is that the index? Yep. These are all the thingies and all the thingies. All the things. All of the thingies. Nice. So, like that. Because we have a lot of, like, we can make a scene for VR in Sketchfab or Marmoset or something like this. So let's, next week, make your own VR lobby or whatever it's called. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. In the next week, like this week, let's gather some people who would like to do this stuff, and next week let's discuss something. What could we make? What could we make? What are you guys up for that? But like that would be seriously. We need to finish that. Only people who know that we're gonna have time. Let's do that. I would fucking love to do that stuff. Just plan it out or something. At least. I would love to do that. So group. Okay. And it ends here. I would love to do that. Or whenever someone has time. Like we need to plan this out. Something needs to move. You know? You know what I'm thinking now? Is this index A? B? Okay, all of those are actually nice. Nicely named. Is this going to be like that? B, 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 B. Yep. B, 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 B. Let's put this in. Put this here. Everything goes up. One up. One up. Copy this. Okay, next week I'm working 10 to 10 every day, so I'll be busy. We can talk about it. I'll say to my friends also, I said yesterday, but I just forgot it. Yeah, that's okay. Like, that's what I'm saying, like, let's take it slowly, step by step, like, how we can. Like, we need to figure out how we can move. How can we do this? I don't want it to be like a thing where it's a job or something. I want it to be just like, let's say you can have 10 hours a day. No, not 10, yeah, 10 hours a day. Like, 10 hours a week or let's say in the weekend you do something, and then we can just put it together. Like let's say 8 weeks, we can put something nice together. So I think GRP element. Oh fuck! Mixed some things up here. That's okay. This seems all clean. I love this naming convention. Right? Alright. So I have all these thumbs. And I have all these fingers. Let's go ahead and put this underneath our wrist. Yeah, underneath our wrist. So if I move the wrist, all the fingers move together. All of these groups also underneath the R. So that's gonna be nice. So yeah, if anyone is interested in that, just let me know. Just a second, guys.
That his destiny's lost. The ship is sailed, and that only a fool will continue. Truth is, I've always been a fool.
Sandra Templeman, I love you and I will marry you.
Alright, let's continue. I need to fix these thumbs here. So I have this this thumb, and this thumb needs to be hooked underneath this. So basically if I select both of them, I can just do like a worm type of movement. Like this, right? Okay. And you know what also we could do? Hook up these controls here. Constrain and orient. G. Nice, this is working smooth. Did I really parent it underneath that? Just hooking up all the controls here. Hooking up all the controls here. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys' evening? this now. So I should be able to move all of these now. Alright. This is starting to move nicely. I'm doing well. The puzzle thing, I think you didn't see the level editor, did you? I don't think so. Can you show me? If you have, like, something cool. Something new. I again did that. For some reason. So I can move that. I can move this. And I can move them. All together as well, right? Yeah. He broke his finger, how could you? The link again. Nice, thank you for sharing that. Alright, I'm gonna play that afterwards. Excited to see what kind of changes you've made. I actually like... You have something interesting, like in your designs for puzzle games, man. Like the mobile game that you built, I like the build-up and stuff. It could look better, like visually, but like the thought behind it like works. Polish it, apply some new things. Can make some money out of it, some more money. Num num num. All right. So this also works, right? Just I need to hook up these controls. Let's just parent them. Parenting, parenting, parenting. Parenting. Index, middle, pinky. Let's make a pinky. Let's parent them. Let's hook this up as well. Alright. Pinky. And then there's the thumb. Alright, great. Great. This is actually really cool. I could probably learn to design better if I spent the time in it. Yeah, exactly. Check out some tutorials or something. You know what I noticed for me? A lot of times I don't want to look in depth into certain things, and then I noticed that I find like a really easy basic tutorial, and it explains just the basic things that I knew before, but in a different kind of light. And that really helps me to just keep on moving on. I just grasp, oh, this is like the thing that I used to call it like that, but why don't I call it like that before? So I see like some smaller steps that I can do. And that's really cool. At least for myself, I find that really cool. That I can look back to certain things like that. Also, I'm gonna have to set up this dynamic parenting thing. Let's hook it up. Constrain, and let's do parent. Oh, need to maintain that offset. Let's add it. And in our node editor, let's hook it up. Let's hook it up. This is just a follow inside of this, right? Don't tell me. No. Let's Control Z this for a second. Fucking freeze it. Yeah, so it's all clear. All clear. Let's go. This doesn't move it because this is not parent constraint. Yeah, right? Add. Let's do that. Alright. So now if I have this, and a parent constraint, the wrist. Let's do that. Save, good idea. Yeah, that's true. I just saved. Thank you, guys. So parent constraint. What is this L wrist parent constraint? I think that's okay. That's for the locator. Yep. Yep, that establishes the locator setup there. So we can do that. So what we need back is so we have this anim, so we need this follow, and let's put this into the anim. So what this establishes is that this moves with the world. Okay. That's weird. Shouldn't it be the other way around? The world. Okay, that's a bit weird. But let me open the graph editor again. Let me plug it in differently a bit. I usually plug it in here, the weight. Let's see how this is gonna work. Yeah, sometimes this really helps. Like if you want to have different animations and stuff. So the body, and if I switch it to world. Okay, alright, that works. Let's leave it at body. So that works really nicely. I also need to add eyelids and stuff to this. That's okay. That's gonna be quick. Also, what's nice is that I can have these four, and let's just bam, make groups on them. Drop groups on them. But I'm not gonna need them for now. I can just go back. Oh my god, man. It's like, it's such a breeze with this. It's such a breeze with this. I should have done this such a long time ago, man. Damn, Daniel. Thanks a lot for all you guys being here. I really enjoy that I can share this with all you guys.
I drove the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Singing this will be the day that I die.
Dry. So where did we get? So this wrist is finished. What do we have with the feet? I would like to understand what's going on with the feet. So this works fine. This works. So if I move this, put it on the body, put it on my body, put it on my body. Okay, it doesn't have a constraint. Nope, no constraints at all. Okay, I'm going to fix up this hand, and then let's just finish this up. No jabis. Oh, dude, yeah. Let me check it. 56. There was no jabis before. This is someone else, I think. But yeah, no jabis is the stuff. I really like that guy. Like, just his music is really nice. Ooh. So I got this wrist. Let's hook up all these fingers up to each other. Right. Parent this. So basically, I grab the control by pressing up. I select this this one, and then I parent it underneath the control, and then I grab the group that's on top of it and add it inside of this. So basically this establishes like this nice thing that I can have I can grab all of them and just do this so they follow each other. You can do it in different ways, but I really like this. This is like a really nice way to just to select these and be done with everything. Let's hook up these controls. Yeah, first let's just fix these things first. These first. Thumb A. Thumb is fixed. Parent that. Nice. Parent this as well. This is going really nice. Alright. Let's go ahead and put those orient constraints. G. G. G unit. Alright, let's just keep hooking them up. No. Oh yeah, that was the right thing. I thought I grouped them. Ever had that? I get this too much, I think. Alright, let's group them. Hook it up, hook it up, hook it up. Nice. Now we should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Why do I have this empty group here? Ta 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 ta. Yeah, let's put it underneath them. Should be all fine. So far, so good. Let's check out all the controls. Check out all the controls. It's like so dramatic. Sometimes, like, I really feel that the music impacts me. Like, it has like quite of an impact. I can actually hook up some skins to this as well afterwards, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that in this time that we're given now. So I have this wrist. So what if I? Oh wow! What did I do that? What did I do? What did I do with that? Let's parent constrain that. So now I can move it. Nice. Let's hook up a dynamic constraint as well for this. And boom, boom. Let's connect that. Get our node editor. Add them in. My anim wrist. Let's check out where's our target. Open them twice. And let's do that follow. Yeah. So I wonder if that weight... Could the target weight be a float? Let's try it. If that can be a float... Oh, no! 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 If it's gonna be a float, fuck. Okay. If it's gonna be a float, I might need to just change everything. But... target weight. Oh my god. No, no, no. No way. I hope it's not gonna be a thing like that. Let's just edit. I'm gonna add an attribute. Okay, let's just check it. Let's put it as flow. Float minimum maximum is going to be 1. Let's do this as a test 01. Let's see. Okay, let's add it. So this goes from 0 to 1. So what if I do this test? Okay. Okay. I'm already freaking out. So this doesn't work. Because this is 0, right? And if this is 1, then it works. And 0, then it doesn't work. But how could I test this? So let's say I have a 0.5. Would that work? Oh, 0.5 also, like just okay. I wish you could have it like as if you turn, then you can just slide it in. Right? Can I put it in there? I think that now it's going to be completely broken. 0. 1 is like nothing, right? Oh, okay, yeah. I've broken it. So there's like a couple things that I broke here. That I put the test into the actual node which is responsible for giving the parent constraint, and then there's like the target weight. And I'm just going to, yeah, I'm just going to Control Z until I don't have this test 01 that I added. And I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. So it's just a boolean. But on the other hand, this boolean really helps with making certain things happen. Alright. So let's also connect the eyes, for example. So the eyes need to be connected towards our head tall. I need to rename some of these things here as well. Nice. So I hope you guys are enjoying enjoying rigging today. I am having a lot of fun with this. Just like making small tools and stuff, this is just amazing. I must admit. Eyes, why are the eyes so high? Let's just parent it underneath the controls then. And the eyes, so let's just hook it up here. I'm gonna 0 this. Why did I do that again? I don't really even need this. I can just do this. My amazing group tool. Right? Yeah, but it didn't do the trick this time. No worries. I'll Control Z that. This is okay. So grab the head, grab the tall, and let's do a constraint, parent constraint, and let's go ahead and drop these here as well. Clean it up, put them in, open the drop down. Open it, please open it. Yes, nice. Sometimes like some of them have like these overlaying lines, and that really is annoying sometimes. So okay, let's put that follow target in there. Let's check this out. So this is like a really simple way how to add like some dynamics to your rig. So if I move this around, for some reason nothing else moves together with it, like the eyelids or the ears. Let's hook them up underneath the head. Parent that. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah, because always the ears and the ears and the eyes are always going to follow. Those are never going to disappear. So eyelids. Where's the eyelids? Those are also in a weird position. But the cool thing is that they only are going to use our the rotations, so that's cool. Yeah, that's fine. This is in the middle. I'm going to be cool with that. Alright. Num 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 num. What was I doing? Yeah, let's do the head also. Just let's parent it. But also I would like to see what's inside of this controls. So there's these two things. So the group wrists. Let me just put also the wrists in there. So the controls is everything. So legs are dynamically parented. Anim control head. Let's do this. Grab the torso, put the head, and do a parent constraint. Let's add these two in our graph. Yeah, let's add them to the graph. Open this one, open this one. Open the targets. Snap the follow. All right. So it works. Let's hook it to world. Okay, that works. So the control is the main thing that if it works, it works. Let's give it a thing. Let's give it a locator. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, oh man, I'm getting late. So we got this locator. Let's call this LOC DRV underscore head 01. Let's hook it up underneath the head as well. It's okay that it has like a dirty transform, at least in this case that's completely fine. And what we need to do with it is hook this up as a parent constraint. So now I have this all of this moving underneath control. Nice. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm excited that we've finished it this far already. So I think, okay, I also need to hook up the eyes. So we have eyes. Let's go ahead and just put them towards these eye joints. Let me scratch my foot. Let's do an aim orient. Also for this one. Why do they have... Okay, let's get rid of that aim constraint for now. And I would like to get rid of these. Just let's free these transforms so they're all clean. So this eye. Ah, okay, there is an eyelid. Alright, that's cool. That's nice. R, our eye. Let's constrain that. Let's aim constrain this. Left eye, constrain, aim constrain. Grab these two. Makes those work. Perfect. Just what we needed. Alright. So what I would like to know is, how did I fix the eyelid controls for the other characters? That's what I would like to know. And I would also like to just hook up the eye and the other eye to our actual eyes. Let's bind them. Look at that. Turn the eyes around and everything. Perfect. Let's also hook up maybe these fingers. Or the head maybe. So the head, we need the head joint, we need this joint, and we need that joint. Let's go ahead and combine that. Yeah, I need to make eyelids. I think I'm gonna spend a day for making all the eyelids and everything for the characters that are missing them. Once again, thanks a lot for all you guys being here. If you liked what we're doing, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that follow button. That really helps us continuing going. And hope you're enjoying the show. Keep being positive. Thanks for being here. So, these guys. Let's save this. I'm just going to jump to my tall peeps. Let's check it out. So that really, like, I'm really happy with how fast I can transition now. So these are all, I guess I just connected these directly with the orient constraint towards the, or I'm going to, at least, base joints. And if I move this, it doesn't move anything, right? So I haven't hooked them up yet. Alright, that's fine. Let's check out students. I think I've fixed that in students, because students have everything. Yeah, see? That's pretty cool. And if I look at this guy, yeah, that's an orient constraint, and that's a BE, and that's a locator driver. Okay, cool. Just what I needed. But for some reason, ooh, that's nasty. Even though the location of them doesn't really matter, I'm just going to pop it into its right place for the sake of it. In the future, maybe it's going to flip out or do some weird things, so let's just keep it in one place. Alright, so there is a location driver, but there isn't a group for it, because I don't need a group. Alright, let's get back to our short rigs. And also enable back these things that I disabled here. So this is really dope. Just jump through all of your Maya files. I had like a hotkey for that. So this moves really nice, but if I would move this, nothing would move. Of course nothing would move. Here. Both of these need locators. How could I give it a locator without... So if I press CLT... Oh! Oh! This is actually dope! Oof! Just nice. So let's do 0.1. Let's enter that. Nice. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and hook up a constraint there. Let's do orient. This one also orients. Let's say I want these both also to have CLTs. Where are my CLTs then? But the cool thing is that it already makes that locator underneath it, and it names it in the right way. For the locators, I don't really care about the actual translates, because you're never going to see them. And I really love this, just that I can name it. Need to also think about that more. Just like how to prevent certain naming not to be there or something like that. So like this, I could just use like a... Come on. And I can't snap? Of course I can. Yes, you can snap. Alright. So how come everybody's so quiet? Everybody's working? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? So, also for these two guys, let's do CLTs. Nice. I could even freeze the transforms, but in this case it's not even necessary. Nothing is necessary. You just click on it, click and go. Click and go. If anyone has some like a question or something about anything that we're doing, you can just go ahead and ask. All right. So, also the scale of these guys is just way too big. Let's do 0.1. Should be much nicer. Alright. Legit. So what I would like to do with these guys, and now we need to hook it up to the joints that we have here. Hook it up to the joints we have here. If I could, oh, there's this. Anim head. There's a lot of anim things. Where did my things go? So left side, left down. So we need left down. Let's do a orient constraint. Then we have left up, then we have right down, and also right up. Nice. So if I grab these two guys, should be able to, yeah, move those eyelids. And if I grab these two guys, then it's also possible to move those eyelids. Nice. Yeah, that's what I needed. And if I move it, it still moves, and it's all cool. If I move this, all of that moves together. If I move this, everything is fine as well. Alright. World. Let's save it. So this is actually going pretty nice. But now there's a question that I have, and I would like to be able to set up so that I can swap skins for this one as well. It would be nice if I would be able to swap through these two skins. I already have those two skins, so I would like to be able to see them. For this, I think I'm going to need a global control for it. Let's go ahead and make one. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Just the linear. Bam. Nope. Linear, bam. Let's do one like this, like that. Just like a triangle, just like for the previous characters. Make it something like that. Nice. Center the pivot, freeze transforms, snap to the middle. Oh! As an object, by the way. Otherwise it snaps all the points separately. And let's do minus 180. Nice. And let's do a freeze transforms. And now we can just adjust these points. Okay, let me just check the tall one again. So let me write down some things. So the right hand controls, we've made all the controls. Also all the dynamic parenting is done. Weight painting, I'm not sure if we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna set up the skin system. Yeah, skin system, and that should be okay for today. So, alright, what happens here is we have extras, and then we have tall male, and then we have teacher skin, and all of these things. And let's go ahead and also do that there. And one thing I would like to know is, and that is, how do we add those? So we have skins, and in skins I think I have, let's see how this works. Inside the nose, anim nose, transform. What is this? Is that the? Okay. In certain cases I have everything inside of the skin controls. Let's see how it works in our kids. If I have skin, then there's SB anim. Okay, so basically I have just two groups. One of the group is under the skins, and one of the group is in the GRP meshes, and that is my skins as well. And then if I have let's say, double click on this, or if I would go here, then you can see that it just scrolls through. The hair animates too. Yeah, you're able to animate the hair as well. At least in for this character. For example, if I go to I can actually now show everything like really nice. So I have the base layer of the animation. I make a base layer, and then I have the skin, and then for example I can highlight these controls. So he has a lollipop, and he can move around and do whatever he wants with it. And then he also has this thing. Also his glasses. Glasses, and also his eyebrows. So certain characters don't have eyebrows. For example, this character. So I just don't have eyebrows for him. And he's gonna have different controls. So that's like the magic in it. So yeah, what I wanted to know is if there's skins. How did I manage the skins? And this is my answer. I found it. But yeah, let me show you. So if I want to, I can just grab, for example, let me put this in reference. I can just grab these 2, 3, and I can just move this. I need to still skin this, but so far it works great. Just move this. So for example, I could do I need to skin that. And fix some weight pain issues here, which this is really strange, by the way. Huh. Can I pop it back? I'm gonna do a quick mirror. Yeah, that actually looks much better now already. But some things need to be fixed. I'm just gonna need to spend the day and fix all of the skins all over the place. But yeah, you're able to do that. So let's say you would do an animation like this. What is this? I don't want these keyframes here. So yeah, let's say I have this animation playing. I can just keep playing it. And the cool thing is that it's on all of the characters. So that's really amazing.
Conheci sua namorada. Ela disse que estaria na concessione. Você disse a ela que era restaurante?
Do contrário, ela teria vindo.
Mulheres.
And also, the nice thing is, if I select
Não se pode
select
viver
this,
sem elas.
I can just like let's
E
say
nem viver com elas. Mulheres.
I should fix the script for a little bit. Huh? Oh, this is weird.
Não se pode viver sem elas.
I can press Ctrl D somewhere. Alright. Is that everything? Belly out. Alright, dude. Thanks a lot for joining in, Dirt Greg. I'll see you guys both tomorrow, I hope. Tomorrow let's do some VR SketchUp stuff, guys. Thanks a lot also, Matthew. Thanks, guys. Have a nice evening. Here's a high five. Nice. It was nice meeting you guys today. Much appreciate that. So, this is not really satisfying me here. Could I say that this thumb, oh my god, thumb anim, could I grab like anim leg, anim wrist, like let's say let's put this wrist in the end. I'll do a Control X, just let's go to the end, put it in. Yep, let's save that. So let's say if I would select this now. Thumb B, okay. That sucks. Because I don't want to select everything like that. Visible. Let's just select this. So basically, with the selection things, you can just do this. L, middle, C. It's a big, like, quite a big selection, I would say. Flex chain mid bend. So okay, let's check this out. Flex chain. And if I could just zero this out. Hey, that is dope. This is really good. So just tweaking some tools also is nice. Tweaking some tools is also nice. Let's get back to our short break. So what I wanted to do is, what we need to do is, as well, Let's go to component selection and make this just a tiny bit bigger. Just a tiny bit bigger. I can feel my back already. That means I'm gonna need to stop soon. Yeah, let's just make this skin thing. I think that should be nice. So curve. I have this curve. Let's save that. I'm just going to copy this. Night night. Night night. Yeah, it's already becoming pretty late. Becoming real late. So what I wanted to do is copy this. What is the name of that? G-tall. And this is gonna be short. Alright, let's edit. And let's add some of those. Let's add attributes. So we're going to need a long name. Let's do underscores and let's do a displayable enum. So this is going to be blank and let's just give it an extras. Let's add that. So what else do we need? We need teacher skins, I think. What I can do is I'm gonna save this. Let's just jump to our teachers. And I'm gonna just check this out. Can I copy the name of this? Edit, can I edit this? Edit attribute. Teacher skin. Teacher skin. Close. Alright, nice. Edit. Add an attribute. So this is going to be teacher skin. Let's add 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, the second one is going to be our CO1. Is it going to be CO1? Like this? I think so. And the second one is going to be DO1. That underscore. Alright, actually I think I can edit this afterwards, so let's just add this in. So now I have a CO1, DO1, and let's just check it out if I'm gonna close it for now. Also need to give it like a nice color. So let's just check out what our tall does. Again. Yeah, okay, I got it, correct. So perhaps could even give them some interesting colors here at the bottom. If I would just color pick what I have for the students here, something like that. So I'm just gonna stick with like one color scheme. Alright. Let's do, yeah, that yellow. It looks interesting. And this one, let's enable overrides, RGB, color pick that, and that's gonna be our dark color. Nice. Our dark color. Not really a dark color. So, GRP adults. And we also need skins. So that's final. Yeah, let's make a group. Let me just take a look at how we've made these before. Okay. Perhaps I could just take a snapshot of this. Yep. And I'll open just a picture for that, so I can use it later. Alright guys, just a second, I'm gonna go to the toilet, I'll be right back. that. Guys, I'm back. Did you guys miss me already? I know that the rigs missed me. The rigs are missing me all the time. Rigs are missing me all the time. So let's jump back to the short guy. And yeah, let me just build up the structure here. Just open this little cheat sheet on the side here, and let's get into it. Let's get into it. So I have a group that's adult short, adult rig, short 01. Let's call it like that. Anim in there, and we have a flex chain, and we have a group of meshes. Okay, we have joints, we have controls, and we have skins, and that is going to go underneath here. Let's do a G, and let's drop it here. Let's call this grp underscore skins 01. It's nice like that you can like just jump back a bit and check out some other things. By the way, guys, we're about to finish our stream today. If you have anyone that you're watching and you would like to raid them, invade their privacy, let me know. I would definitely be interested in that. As usually we try raiding someone at the end of the stream. So there's just this group. Everything is actually fine, right? Skins. Okay, I see. So this should be called meshes, I think. Yeah, but there's also a lot of other things here, so that's kind of tricky. GRP bases. Yeah, let's call it bases, and then let's have a short. So basically we could have more things. Oh, okay. Thanks, Formius. I'm gonna check that out. What kind of stuff is he doing? Custom Twitch chatbot. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's do a little bit of a look over look over all the jazz. Who could we raid? I'll keep it in mind. Thanks for the link, Wormius. Much appreciated. So yeah, the hierarchy once again, and let me just call this, instead of adults, meshes. This is going to be our meshes one. So we have bases, and we're going to have another one, which is going to be, like, let's just drop 2. These are skins. 01. skins 01. Actually, this kind of gives away how much characters we have in the game. I've been giving away that for a while now. And this is gonna be our GRP. Okay, that's going to be our teachers. Yeah, that's already where teachers start coming in. So let's say I can duplicate this a couple of times for now. GRP, teacher skin, and the first one that we're going to do is C01. GRP, teacher, skin, underscore, D01. And then, for example, GRP. What is next? Janitor. Janitor skin. Underscore. A01. So, for example, let's just see. For now, I'm gonna just keep these three. Because, yeah, the next one is going to be the janitor one, I suppose. Let me just see. I want to keep it consistent also with the tall rig. Yeah, janitor, and then there's the dean. Yeah, let's do it like that. And the cool thing is that I can still keep expanding these rigs. I love this. I just love this. So, yeah, janitor rig. Let's add that here. Edit. Add attribute. Just a second. Again, this. Yeah, there's a space here. That's rather annoying. But I'm really happy that I can just jump so fast. I'm still surprised. Janitor. Skins. Skin. 1, 2, 3. I think A underscore 01. Okay. I think at least I did 3 for the rest as well. Yeah, there's 3 always. Nice and consistent, like that's I love that. I love that. So what do we need to do now is I would like to hook these up to our actual skins here. Let me also drop some knowledge here. Drop some knowledge here. Not some knowledge, but I'm going to need some meshes. Some meshes. Let's drop some meshes. So we have our assets, we have our extras, we have our characters, we have our adults. Let's drop this. So there I go. Like, for example, I have just this one adult base, adult short. Where is this going? Okay. Get rid of that. I don't need it. So did that insta go to the skins? Oh, nice! It just dropped in there. Straight in there. Let me just put these. So I want to like lay a flat hierarchy there. This is really cool. I didn't think that that is going to work that smooth. That everything already goes into the skins. So the skins, I'm just gonna drop it into our meshes, and the meshes are going to go into our short, and also there should be our flex chain, and the flex chain should also go in there. Skins. Why am I bothering? Why was I bothering? Well, yeah, actually needed to bother, but great that it just worked. bases. This is awesome. This is just like, everything is just clicking together like a puzzle. Alright, so I have this guy. That's alright. What if I would like to have... what if I would like to have both of the teacher skins that I have for now as well? Models, low poly, and I have my C and my D teacher. Are they both going to be inside here? No way. No way. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to happen. This is just amazing. Tell me you wouldn't be excited if this would happen just like that. So let me drop this down. Alright. So this is a big mashup of things. So what we want to do is, I want to be able to click these buttons and or select through here which ones are going to be connected. So let me also just, what is this group? Basted wrist. What is this one? This can also go away. So basically we just have one group with these three guys. This is perfect. So for now I'm just going to have these three things. Janitor. What kind of, which other characters are there short? Let me check it. Sabotage. Okay. Janitor. Just a couple more. Not too much. We just have 4 or 5 characters that are short, but still, maybe in the future we're gonna expand that, so it's nice to have just multiple rigs and stuff like that as well. Did this? I wonder if this skin had something more to it. I don't think so. Yeah, he's just like that. Alright. So I also need to make some groups here. So 1, 2, 3. Let's just see. 1, 2, 3. Let's just put them here. And those are exactly the same groups, I think, that that we use inside of the meshes. Let me check what I did for the adults. So I have my meshes, I have my skins. Cafeterian, librarian, mom, dad. Alright. And then I have here GRP. Okay, it's exactly the same, right? Yeah, exactly. It's the same structure. So everything has like two folders. Nice. And the setup is quite simple. It's quite simple. Let's grab that node editor. Alright. So what we're gonna do is, let's grab our G short. So this is where we have all of our skins. We don't need this pretty much, just minus that. And what we can do here, let me open the skins. 1, 2, 3. Let's add those. Just groups. And we're going to need condition nodes here as well for this. Alright. Let's add these groups here as well. Oh, that's cool. So if I grab this, I can grab the visibility. Let's plug it into the visibility. And just like grab the visibility from the previous ones and just plug it in. Because it's just visibility that matters, in our case, for example. So what we need here is a condition node. Condition. Distance, curve, contrast, condition. So what we need to fix with this one, so basically here I can set it up so if this is going to be equal, so what is this going to be equal to? If I grab this and if I put teacher C, so let's connect this teacher skin to first term, let's say. So our first term is going to be 1. So if teacher C is on, then this is going to be 1. Alright, so if it's equal to our second term, so only if this works, only if this is 1. If this is going to be 1, then color if true is going to be 1, and if color false is 0. Alright, so we can put that out color towards our teacher D visibility. So that's connected. So now if I would have, if I select the short, you can see if I'm gonna change this to something else, then the teacher C01 disappears. And if I change it back to C01, then it appears again. And then it disappears once I connect something else to it. Alright, let's keep it for now here. So next one is going to be teacher D. I can actually copy this condition. But in this time, we need teacher skin. Let's connect this first term. And let's check this out again. So this time, I need D. So this time we're going to connect the out color, the first out color, to the D visibility. Alright, so so if it's 2, then you're going to be able to see that. Alright, let's add one more condition. And this is going to be for our janitor skin. And our janitor skin, let's just copy that into our first. So I can already guess that this is going to be 1. Let's just leave it like it is. And our out color R, our visibility, yep, that's in. Move this down, move these here, just so it's nice and organized. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new bookmark for them from this. So this is going to be called a short layers. Okay. So now, even if I lose this, if I would like get a new graph, I just go back to my short layers, and I have that layer network back. Even I have like twist distribution for my spine. I also have some squash and stretch here. All that jazz can be used later on as well. All right. So, and in this case, this is really cool. Because now we can actually just scroll through them. If we have like the skins and everything. So this is cool. So what we need to establish now, what would be really cool, if I could just double click this and I could open up the skin of this. That would be really amazing. And if I would double click this, then it would just show the show this skin that I have here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna edit this pop-up. So this has a double click command to set the attribute anims for the tall adult. so everything gets zeroed out. And the same thing I would like here. Let me just open this. So if I select that, then our teacher short skin is going to be 0. So here I'm going to add like a small thing. Tall teacher. Tall, or no, let me name it differently. Let's say adult, tall, skin reset. All right, and also, you know what? I'm gonna call this a skin reset button. So let's call this adult, tall, skin, underscore tall, skin reset. Okay, and then we also have this double click to select student base. Oh, okay, that's actually better. To reset student base. So what if I would add that here as well? Adult skin reset, and double click to reset skin. Yeah, that would be nice. So each of them would be able to reset that. Okay. So let's edit this once more. The double click command. So I'm going to just add some more lines here. Adult short skin reset. Alright, and now we can actually set this. So this one. So if I click that, oh, don't want the script editor to be there. So I have this set attribute. Let's set it up there. Also this one. Let's set it up there. Enter. Alright. That's good. So we have the C. I want to edit that. So I'm gonna empty that macro. And let's just add here, if I press teacher C, then I'm gonna get teacher C. Yep, nice. So by my calculations, if I double click this, okay, but if I, but I don't need that. What is the difference then? No object matches name, but what about the other ones? So let me check this again. Let's edit this. Yeah, that doesn't, it doesn't even care about it. It didn't even like regard the, but if I do double click, okay, that works. So I thought I could actually make that work, but I guess not, because it can't find already the first things. How could we do that? Error line 2. Could I put an if statement? Could I have an if statement? If we're in this file, then do this. If we're in this file, do that. But that would be too much for all the scripts, right? Okay. Well, anyhow, this is gonna work, but in a different way. Teacher skin adult base. Yeah, I see where this is going wrong. Student teachers. could I do that? Let me just Google this. Mel if statement. So if I would write just a simple if statement, if then, if that then, okay, if statements. Let me just check this, how could we do that? Should write this in a script editor, that would be easier. Yeah, this is pretty fun. Find it fun. It's a lot of hustle to write these things, but if... So what could we check if... How to... if there is a object with a name, Mel. So like if I could check it, if there is, and if it returns a value like 1, if there obj exists, okay, there is such a thing. Return value is a boolean. So if select if cmds exists, okay. Okay, let's just check this out. Exists, and let's write, let's say, anim g. Okay. Let me just copy this here. Okay, there is such a thing. So if this exists, if this exists, then do this. If that exists, then do this. Right? That should be the right thing to do. If statements in Maya. Nice. How did we get here? If surface 01. Okay, let's test this in a simpler way. If I could just make let's make a new Mel script here. Print yes. Print, all right. So what could we name? Like, let's say flex chain on one, something like that. Let's just check it out. Syntax error. Where's the error? Exists. Why is that? Okay, that's an error then. Okay. Let me look it up again. So there shouldn't be like that. I think it should be like this then. Let's edit that. Okay, this is actually, yeah, this is a bit crazy, but I mean, it gets it done at some point. Okay. Syntax error. CMDS. Is this yeah, that's Python. Why fuck? You can tell me someone just replaced the... Okay. Yeah, I'm already starting to research how to check these things. If anyone has an idea how to find an object, if an object exists in... if it exists in Maya, that would be really cool. Writing simple melt tools. Okay, let's just check this out. Alright, so let's try that. Syntax error, print yes. Oh yeah. Okay. So there needs to be a tilde. Namespace. Does there needs to be a namespace here like that? Okay. Let's just check it. Print yes. Okay. So this is not necessary, I suppose. Come on, man. Let me look some more stuff up. Yeah, Melscript is just this magic like language in Maya that you can use, and and I'm just trying to like learn how it works. So does this? So namespace exists. Yeah. So it's in somewhere in this syntax here. Let's just try this again. Clear that, clear history. So what does it show? Yeah. So at least I have this namespace. Let me just check. Check. Check for object name. Checking if an object exists. Yeah, that's what I kind of need. Okay, there's something else here. So what if exists? String. So let's see if this works. This makes more sense now. If exists this namespace, then let's print yes. But this doesn't make sense, right? Oh yeah. Oh my god, are you serious? I don't even know how to write that anymore. something really wrong with that. I just did a for loop. So there's this, okay, yeah, like that, in that kind of manner. Alright. So yeah, slowly getting there. Let's edit this. Alright, let's try that. Exists namespace. So that's a thing. I highly doubt I'm gonna figure this out. But at least what I did figure out is how I can hook these guys up.
Were you in love with her?
Let's edit that. Let's leave this empty. We need to echo these commands. So let's set this to D. But could you also then do this? Yes, you could. Teacher skin too. Janitor skin 0. Like for example, I think that should be clear as day. Edit. Double click. So yeah, it just like masks everything out. Alright. So yeah, I just need to find an if statement, put that in there. Like for example, these don't work. Those are not gonna work ever. At least not on this character. Let's save it. Let's try this. Cause yeah, here this is also gonna be a problem. If I edit this one, double click, so it sets the base, so it also needs to set the rest of these guys. That it needs to tell them, yeah, these are not going to be active. So janitors I have here, mom, dad, dean, yeah, all of this is going to be 0, because otherwise if we have A, for example, on, and if I double click it, yeah, of course, now this time it worked fine, of course, but if I have a dean skin and if I want this one or that one, oh, you're getting in trouble, you need to reset. You can't reset though. That's alright. Yeah, it doesn't work because it needs to reset all of the skin layers. Of course. Dad, mom, janitor, and all these other guys. Let's just add them in. So yeah, it just like resets everything. Short. No object matches name anim. Yeah, it needs an if statement here definitely, and I need to find those names. Or maybe there's another way. Well, yeah, I think with time I'll figure it out. Let's save it. Could check for a lot of things actually. I have a feeling like that. I have a good feeling that I could check for a lot of things like that. Yeah, and also the same thing is going to be here. Because with students it's much easier. There's just one character, like one type of thing, just one skin. There's not that much skins that we change through. But for adults it's different, because adults have all these layers here. But he can be a different character as well. Yeah, let's I'm just going to edit this once again and just add in for the rest of them the lines that they need. So later on, don't need to be worried about it. Save it. Alright. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I can actually view textures as well on this. Color map. Let's hook them in. So yeah, thanks a lot who's still here. If you guys like what we're doing, make sure to hit that follow button up there. And thanks a lot for being here. Thanks a lot for being here. We're done with the stream today. If you want to raid someone, if you feel like we're raiding somebody, which we're gonna do definitely, of course. But let me know if you have a favorite streamer that you'd like to raid while I'm getting lost in my folders. So sabotage, assets, characters, adults. It's a teacher. It's a texture. It's a C. No, it's not a C. It's an adult. Just the adult basis. Textures, resources, short light, right, base color, yeah, exactly. What's up with those eyes, though? What's up with the eyes, I say? That is fine, but this one doesn't need that break, this weird thing here. Sabotaged yourself a little bit. Break this connection. What is this? That is the actual eye. And for some reason there is no texture for this. We're gonna get it. Let's go it up. I actually don't even need to set these up, but for some reason I keep doing that all the time. Characters, students, textures, base, resources, eye, color. What the fuck is up with that? No transparency. Break it. Break it up, break it up. Alright. So, really awesome actually. Thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. We finished a lot of cool things. Like, check this out. Let me turn off those joints. So if I have a... Yeah, I can just swap through these ones as well now. This is amazing, man. Just pop, pop, pop. I wanna be able to animate like this. I could not save file. Yeah, that's okay. Let's go to this file. Let's say I just want to animate this one. You can do that. That's really crazy cool. But why is this... What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Why is this like that? I'm gonna have to reskin everything. But that's okay. Alright guys, thanks a lot for everybody joining in today. Thanks a lot for being here, Wormius. Also to all the guys who are still quiet for some reason. I'm not sure why, but that's okay. I completely understand. I'm gonna look up somebody who we could who we're going to raid, and I think that's going to be our NS Fletcher. NS Fletcher. Let's do that. Let's copy his name. Raid. Let's raid that. So yeah, thanks a lot for all you guys joining in today. It was really a lot of fun. And a lot of productivity with fixing these dudes. I mean, I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys also had a lot of fun. Tomorrow, let's work on some VR cool things. Let's do some experiments with this. And yeah, keep being positive. Thanks a lot for all you guys being here. And like Commander Root. Thanks a lot for being here, Commander Root. And you too, Wormius. Keep being positive, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.